Good day, this is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Shoot me an email at yourfleettruck@gmail.com. I'm very excited to be delivering shortly this particular truck. This is a specialized truck for the green industry. It's on the 14.5 GVW, 297 horsepower, double overdrive automatic transmission, gas Isuzu. You've got 6,800 pound front, 11,000 rear, and still just a 14.5 GVW, so you have plenty of load from front to back or from back to front. Behind the particular Isuzu, we have a 24-inch debris dump. It's got a single panel door on the driver's side and a double panel door on the passenger side. The back of the body, look at this screen. The screen really pops. You got a 16-foot flat floor with a 2-foot internal dove for a total loading space of 18 feet. The 7-foot split rear tension gates allow for easy load and unload to make sure your guys don't have to put through their weight, the ringer. On the driver's side, again, we have the one single panel. On our passenger side, we have a double panel. Full paddle keeps great pressure on the doors to make sure the load is secure while in transit. On the top, we have the expanded metal top. It flips up to where it doesn't bounce into the body, nor does it come down on top of the cab. The controller for this debris dump is inside on the passenger side of the truck, and simple up and down to get your truck there. Again, my name is Mike Olden. Look forward to working with you on your next truck. As you can tell, we put a lot of effort in designing a truck that's right for our clients. I can be reached at 404-379-7352, or you can shoot me an email at yourfleettruck@gmail.com. Thank you for your time. I look forward to working with you soon.